How to unhide a chat in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can unhide a chat in Microsoft Teams. So if you wish to unhide any chat that you remembered that you have hidden but couldn't figure out to how to unhide, then this video is here to help you out. So the first thing that we'll be going to do is hide any chat. So to hide any chat, for example, let's say this particular chat right here, what we can do is simply right click over to this particular chat and then from here choose the second last option, that is hide. Now once the chat is hidden, you don't know how I can access or unhide this chat again. So there is no direct method to unhide any chat. It's not that straightforward. So what you will need to do is go to the search bar and type in the name or the email ID of that particular person. Once you do that, you will see under the people their name or their chat again. So you can simply click onto this and you can see that it will appear here, but do not get too happy as it still says show hidden chat history. So this means this chat is still hidden. If you try to walk away, the moment you will do, it will be hidden again. So simply type in their name, and once their chat opens up and it appears over the left hand side, simply right click onto this and from here choose the second last option again, which this time is unhide. Once you will choose Unhide, you can see that now their chat history has also been reverted back and now it is completely unhidden. So that's how easily you can unhide any chat in your Microsoft Teams application. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure that you drop a like, tell us in the comments if we were able to help you out, and also don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.